I will do, learn Norwegian.
Jeg skal gjøre.
Future with the verb gjøre. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to Norwegian mastery. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master future action with the verb do.
Gjøre.
We'll play with real lifelines like
Jeg skal gjøre.
I will do.
Du vil gjøre.
You will do, singular.
Hun vil gjøre.
She will do.
Det vil gjøre.
It will make.
Vi skal gjøre.
We will do.
Dere skal gjøre.
You will do, plural, and
De skal gjøre.
they will do. Buckle up, tiny phrases, mighty power. Your core verb, do. Quick warm-up, meet your action engine. Base verb,
Gjøre.
equals to do. Say it out loud.
Gjøre.
Chant it. Do do do.
Gjøre. Gjøre.
Remember,
Gjøre.
equals do, use.
Lage.
For make in many concrete contexts, but today we focus on
Gjøre.
mini dialogues you can steal. Grab these bite-sized lines and drop them into your day. You ask for help? I smile. No worries.
Jeg skal gjøre.
Debt. Coach to you, singular.
Du vil gjøre.
Det bra I dag. About Mia.
Hun vil gjøre.
Report in etter Lunds. Tiny tweak first.
Det vil gjøre.
Alt enkler. Team promise.
Vi skal gjøre.
Det I morgen. To your group.
Dere skal gjøre.
Avel sin na. Status update.
De skal gjøre.
Rengjoringen senair. And when you're ready to start, let's
Gjøre.
det. Forms at a glance, skal versus vil. Here's the friendly cheat sheet, nice and simple.
Skal.
Often marks plans, arrangements, obligation.
Vi skal gjøre.
Det på fredag.
Vil.
Can show willingness, prediction.
Du vil gjøre.
Det bra. Neutral, common choices today.
Jeg skal gjøre.
And.
Hun vil gjøre.
Det. Use what fits your context. Call and response drill. Echo me out loud, own the rhythm. I will do.
Jeg skal gjøre.
You, sing, will do.
Du vil gjøre.
She will do.
Hun vil gjøre.
It will make.
Det vil gjøre.
We will do.
Vi skal gjøre.
You, plural, will do.
Dere skal gjøre.
They will do.
De skal gjøre.
Base verb.
Gjøre.
Culture tip. Dugnad power. Time for a culture bite, with community vibes. Norwegians love a good dugnad, neighbors helping together. You'll hear plans like
Vi skal gjøre.
Hagen, the leader assigning.
Dere skal gjøre.
Malingen, and relief when someone confirms.
De skal gjøre.
Reston, communal coffee appears, magically. Lightning quiz. Fast and fun, answer before the ding. Translate. I will do. Answer.
Jeg skal gjøre.
Translate. You, plural, will do. Answer.
Dere skal gjøre.
Which phrase means, it will make? Answer.
Det vil gjøre.
What's the base verb, to do? Answer.
Gjøre.
True or false?
Hun vil gjøre.
Equals, she will do. True. Your speaking challenge. Make it personal, short, punchy, and useful. Say a promise about today using, I will do, include.
Jeg skal gjøre.
Cheer a friend with, you will do great, include.
Du vil gjøre.
Make a team plan for tomorrow, include.
Vi skal gjøre.
and.
De skal gjøre.
Add one improvement line, include,
Det vil gjøre.
and the task you're improving. Goodbye and keep going. Nice work, your future Norwegian is looking bright. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these micro phrases daily.
Jeg skal gjøre. Du vil gjøre. Hun vil gjøre. Det vil gjøre. Vi skal gjøre. Dere skal gjøre. De skal gjøre.
And.
Gjøre.
For more lessons, tools, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.